everyone, it's Tammy and I'm excited today because we're going to have baked chicken and rice. And this is a recipe from one of my very best friends named Tracy. You guys have heard me talk about her. Tracy Plans is her YouTube channel. But I'm going to use, instead of rice, I'm going to use this cauliflower rice. So it takes this and 1 package of the Lipton onion soup mix and 1 can of cream of chicken soup for the amount of chicken that I am using. I have 4 skinless thighs because I just skinned them, but they still have the bone in. And actually I got that for a song at the store. It was $1.81 for all of those. So that's the reason I got them that way. Usually I would just get them boneless and skinless and not have to do anything, but sometimes it's worth the extra work to get them for a less price. So I'm just using 1 can of cream of chicken. Now her dad said that, and that's who she has seen make this, and he made sure that she had the recipe, but her dad said that you can find this online anywhere. And also he said that he uses 2 cans of cream of soup, but I can only imagine he's using more chicken. I don't know, maybe not, but that's okay. So we're just going to take this, and then he said to fill it with water or milk. So let me see if I have any milk. I do have a little bit. So I think I'm going to do half and half. I think I'm going to fill it halfway with milk, or it's actually probably 1/3 of the way. I'm going to leave a little bit in there in case one of the guys wants some. And then I'll fill it the rest of the way with water. So I'm just going to mix that in there together. Again, just checking to make sure I got it all. This bowl my mom got for me, it was 3. Dennis has taken 1 and has used that for something, but I still have 2. And I love them. They have rubber on the bottom, and it has a nice spout, and it has a nice handle. They're really nice to have around. So I'm just going to add my Lipton soup mix and stir that around a little bit. And then I will add the rice to this. I need to get my scissors. And I don't really know how much to use. I'm just going to use the whole bag, I think. I guess I'll start with half. And I'm doing the whole thing. It's 4 servings in here, 100 calories total. 16 carbs and 8 proteins. And there's a big hunk of frozen cauliflower. I'm just breaking that up. I love this 2-handled spatula. I got it at the Dollar Tree, but even if it was just a 1-handled spatula, I'd still break it up with the end of it. I just let my dog in and he looks like he wants out again. Guess he didn't get his business done, did he? So now I'm going to pour this over the top. I can tell you already my husband is going to love this. And then you just cook it at 350 degrees for about, I don't know, 35 minutes or 40 minutes. You might even want to put some cheese on top if you want. I mean, you can make it your own however you want. I'm just spreading this cauliflower rice, I was going to say rice, over it. All right, so that's it. I'll just put it in the oven and bake it, and I'll show you when it's done. Thanks, guys. All right, this is fresh out of the oven. So I turned it up to 400. And I left it in there for about, gosh, 20 minutes maybe 15. I'm hoping that this looks a little better. I probably need to let it sit for a little bit so that this will get all nice and oh, what's the word? Like thick. I think it's done. I'm gonna pull one out and put it on my plate. Make it so you guys can see. Yes, it is completely done now. Okay. Woo-wee. I'm going to get some of the vegetable and cheese mixture. And let me go ahead and try it so you guys can see if it's any good. Tracy's recipe. It's going to be boiling hot, so I'm going to have to blow on it for sure. Okay, I have a little piece of the chicken and some sauce. Oh my, that is really good. Oh, that is delicious. I hope that you guys try this because you will love this. It is so good. This sauce is amazing. And it does taste like rice, and even though it's cauliflower, it is amazing. Hope you guys try it. Thanks, Tracy. Bye-bye.